Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the very interesting topic of cannibalism among newborn snakes. So if that sounds like something you'd like to hear about, then stick around and let's get started. Being born alive in the snake world can be a violent affair, more akin to a fight for survival than the arrival of new life. Take, for instance, the African egg-eating snake, aptly named for its peculiar diet consisting mainly of eggs. These snakes, along with others like the king cobra and certain pit vipers, engage in a practice known as internest cannibalism. That means that once these snakes are born, the first thing they do is look for their siblings to eat. As its common name suggests, this snake's diet primarily consists of eggs. Interestingly, this species exhibits cannibalism not only during internest hatching, but also when presented with small prey and unhatched sibling eggs in laboratory settings. The most obvious is that by consuming their siblings, the newborn snakes gain a significant advantage. There are several reasons for this behavior. A hatchling that eats one or more of its clutch mates gets a massive boost in growth in its earliest days. How does cannibalism affect the long-term health? Recent studies suggest that cannibalism may also play a role in the evolution of certain snake species. How do hatchlings detect their siblings inside the eggs? These are just a few of the many mysteries that surround this unusual behavior and fitness of the population. Some believe that it plays a significant role, while others argue that it is a minor factor. There is also disagreement over the extent to which cannibalism influences the evolution of snakes. For example, some snakes have evolved to lay smaller clutches of larger eggs. Snakes are often difficult to observe in their natural habitat, and their behavior can vary widely depending on factors such as species, geographic location, and environmental conditions. It is shown that snakes are not the mindless killers often portrayed in popular culture, but are complex, responsive creatures capable of making decisions based on their experiences and surroundings. From the smallest insects to the largest whales, each species is uniquely adapted to its environment and plays a vital role in the balance of nature. This makes it challenging to draw general conclusions about their behavior and the forces that shape it. These reptiles are often misunderstood and feared, but they are also incredibly fascinating. Whether it is a means of securing food, eliminating competition, or protecting against predators, cannibalism is an important part of the snake's life cycle. One aspect of snake behavior that has particularly intrigued scientists and nature enthusiasts alike is the phenomenon of cannibalism. It is a testament to the strange and sometimes brutal realities of the natural world. In a world where resources are often scarce and predators are plentiful, snakes have evolved a range of fascinating behaviors and adaptations to ensure their survival. One of the most intriguing of these is cannibalism. So the next time you encounter a snake, whether in the wild or in captivity, remember that it is a remarkable creature that has evolved over millions of years to survive in a constantly changing world. And while its behavior may sometimes seem strange or even terrifying to us, it is ultimately driven by the same instincts that drive all living things, the will to survive. This change is thought to be a response to internest cannibalism, as smaller clutches mean fewer opportunities for cannibalism to occur. Don't forget to leave us a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or experiences related to the topic. We value your input and are always excited to hear from you. Additionally, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with your friends and family. Your support means everything to us and helps us continue creating informative and engaging content on the amazing world of animals. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Other snakes may produce chemical signals that make unhatched eggs less attractive to their siblings, essentially communicating, "Do not eat me." These adaptations demonstrate how cannibalism can influence the very makeup of snake populations over time. As scientists continue to investigate cannibalism in snakes, they are likely to uncover even more fascinating insights into the reptile's world. This gives it an edge in terms of size and strength compared to its unfed siblings, allowing it to escape predators more quickly, strike harder, and outcompete others for food and mates. In some cases, the cannibalistic young grows almost twice as fast as its clutch mates. In a harsh, unforgiving environment, this could be the difference between life and death. Studies show that they instinctively prefer to consume the eggs, demonstrating that this behavior is deeply ingrained in their nature. Imagine being minutes old and your first instinct is to search for and devour your own family members. Sounds crazy, right? Newborn king cobras are fully developed and capable of killing prey from birth. By reducing the number of competitors, the cannibalistic snakes increase their chances of survival. And if some of its siblings hatch weak or malformed, They are often consumed by their stronger siblings. Well, this is the stark reality for these newly born serpents. And for some species, the battle for existence begins right at the point of birth. In a nest of 10 hatchlings, having half the clutch eaten by its own members means fewer survivors face intense competition for food and space. It's a brutal strategy, but it works. In the vast expanse of our planet, the process of birth is rarely gentle, especially for snakes. Amongst the many snake species globally, a few stand out due to their unique approach to starting life. The result is that some snakes start their lives before others, sometimes even while their siblings are still developing inside the eggs. Even though they are laid at roughly the same time, various factors such as warmth, position in the clutch, or genetic differences can cause the eggs to hatch at different times. But that's not what happens. Nature has equipped these snakes with keen senses, heightened smell, and an innate drive for survival. For example, the African egg-eating snake. When the hatchling detects the scent of living, defenseless prey nearby, it strikes. Its sharp egg tooth or fangs puncture the eggshell of its siblings, and with lightning speed, it wraps around the soft, yolk-filled prey and swallows it headfirst. All of this happens without hesitation, instinctually and silently. This phenomenon is called asynchronous hatching. Many questions remain unanswered. What triggers the instinct to cannibalize? To understand why they do this, we need to first take a look at how snakes reproduce. Snake eggs do not develop at the same pace. Some researchers argue that this behavior is a rare anomaly, while others contend that it is a widespread phenomenon across many species. Now, you might think that the newly hatched snakes would patiently wait for their siblings to hatch. This behavior is not a one-off occurrence, but rather a well-documented phenomenon observed in various species of snakes across different parts of the world. Similarly, the king cobra, a highly venomous and aggressive snake known for its distinctive hood, also displays this behavior. But why do these snakes do this? Why do they resort to cannibalism even when other food sources are available? Furthermore, intranest cannibalism reduces competition for resources. But the reasons for this behavior go beyond mere survival. However, there's still much that scientists do not understand about this behavior. Despite the progress that has been made, much work is still needed to fully comprehend the complexities of cannibalism in snakes. The discovery of cannibalism in snakes has led to a flurry of research and debate among scientists. The debate surrounding cannibalism in snakes highlights the challenges of studying these elusive creatures. Despite these challenges, the study of cannibalism in snakes has revealed some fascinating insights into the reptiles' world. Moreover, the debate itself has pushed researchers to refine their methods and improve their understanding of snake behavior. As we continue to explore the natural world around us, we are constantly reminded of the incredible diversity and complexity of life on Earth. One such creature that has captured the imagination of humans for centuries is the snake. As we have seen, snakes, like all living creatures, are driven by the instinct to survive. While cannibalism may seem shocking or even disturbing to us, it is simply another tool that snakes have evolved to use in their ongoing struggle for survival. By understanding the reasons behind this behavior, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and adaptability of these creatures. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about cannibalism in snakes.